Welcome, dear virtual friends. Today I've got a special story to share with you about my ghostly buddy, Ghosty Gideon. Now, Gideon has some big dreams. I'm talking about starting his own ghostly couture line. But there's a little bump in the road and I need to send him a message. So, Gideon, my ghost, listen up. I love you, dude, but we've got to be real here. You're more fashion-challenged than fashion-forward. Seriously, the only thing shaking when you show up is that old, worn-out tablecloth you've been dragging around. But hey, I get it. You've got big dreams. You want to be the ghost who not only haunts the living, but also slays the fashion runway, right? You even came up with a killer name, Gideon's Ghostly Threads. That's genius. I remember just the other day you were rallying your ghostly friends. You floated in with all that ghostly swagger and declared, "Guys, I've got it. I'm going to design the scariest, most stylish ghostly attire anyone's ever seen." They'll be dying to get their hands on it. The whole ghost crew was on board, dishing out ghostly high fives, swaying and boo-hooing like they were auditioning for Britain's Got Ghosts. But then, right when we thought you had it all figured out, you hit them with the big question. So, who's going to help me design and produce these couture pieces? And that's when the room went dead silent. Your ghost friends quite literally vanished in a poof. No more boo-hoo, just pure eerie silence. We all know it's good to be quiet sometimes, but this was taking the ghost. That's when it hit you, didn't it? Like a gust of wind from the floorboards. Coming up with killer ideas is one thing, but actually making them a reality? That's a whole different story. But you're not alone in this, Gideon. Gideon is feeling a bit ghostly down, so be sure to like this video, subscribe, and give him some inspiration for his wear. Thanks. Let's continue. We've all been there. We dream up these big plans, becoming best-selling authors, launching that small business empire, inventing the next must-have gadget or product. But when it's time to actually do the work, we freeze up and it can be difficult to get the help you need. So here's the thing, Gideon, and everyone watching. Ideas are fantastic, but you need to make a start. Start and then get freelance help if you need to. You don't need a whole team right away, just one person or even just you to get things rolling. Remember, Gideon, a single, terrifyingly stylish piece could be all it takes to launch Gideon's ghostly threads into the ghostly stratosphere. And for all of you watching this, whether you're a ghost with a passion for fashion or a human with a dream that feels just out of reach, don't let your big ideas die before they've had a chance to live. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. The world needs your creativity, your boldness, your ghostly thread, or whatever form they may take. So, dear friends, dream big, design bold, keep creating, and take action. Because, my friends, the only thing scarier than failure is never trying at all. If you enjoyed this and want more, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment about the big dreams you're chasing. And remember, keep dreaming big and chasing those goals, because your ideas are waiting to be brought to life. Until next time, keep it spooky, stay inspired, and have an absolutely fantastic day. Boo-hoo!